Prepare to make sail because we're headed on a treacherous journey aboard a mystical boat. Join us as we venture alongside salty old pirates on Walt Disney World's famed Pirates of the Caribbean ride at the Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida. This 8-minute and 30-second immersive dark ride brings guests to the 17th century, when bands of pirates ruled the West Indies islands around the Caribbean Sea.
But first, mates, when did Pirates of the Caribbean open at Walt Disney World? Was it A, October 1st, 1971, B, November 20th, 1972, C, December 13th, 1973, or D, January 8th, 1989? Keep your ears open for the answer later in the video. The facade of the attraction is designed to resemble a watchtower, the Torre del Sol, which is inspired by the fort Castillo de San Felipe del Morro in San Juan, Puerto Rico.
The queue usually averages between 40 and 60 minutes. However, it can get much longer in a busy summer season. We think the ride is definitely worth the wait, especially as a break from the warm weather. There are two unique queue experiences, a soldier side for regular guests and a pirate-themed queue in the Lightning Lane. As you enter the fort, you wind past supply stations, cannons, and even a pair of skeletons playing a game of chess. These two lines meet at the Pirates' Cove, where riders board their boats and begin their journey. Guests ride past scenes of pirate skeletons and a ship that has run aground before they hear a cursed skull speak and their boat is plunged into darkness into the real world of pirates. Guests now see pirates on adventures, battles, exploits, and even in jail. You may even catch Captain Jack Sparrow along the journey.
Now back to the old trivia question. You're right, the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction didn't debut in Walt Disney World until December of 1973. The attraction is based on the famous Disneyland ride of the same name. But because Roy Disney and the Imagineers didn't believe that a Caribbean-themed ride would be successful in Florida, as the state was so close to the story's origin location, they decided to forego opening a facsimile at the Magic Kingdom. However, after a wave of public support for the establishment of the ride, they chose to squeeze the attraction into Adventureland. Because they hadn't originally planned to house the ride in the park, they had to shorten the ride by omitting one scene and removing one drop to account for the lack of space. This ride is accommodating for all ages. However, those under 3 must be seated on the lap of an adult. Guests must perform a wheelchair transfer for this ride. If a guest is using an ECV, the guest must transfer to an available wheelchair at the attraction entrance, then transfer from the wheelchair to the ride vehicle. Service dogs may ride this attraction at the foot space in the boat. The front row is the easiest to accommodate a service dog. Guests with cognitive disabilities will enjoy this ride. However, we suggest wearing ear protection for those sensitive to noises, as there are some explosive sounds and loud music. There are minor flashing lights during the ride experience.
This is one of the most nostalgic rides at the Disney parks. As soon as you enter the queue, you're met with familiar music, smells, and scenery of the Disney experience. While there is a moderate drop on the ride, we give this ride an average on the thrill meter. The animatronics, drop, water elements, and fantastic story will keep you coming back time and time again. The ride is really relaxing, and the 8-minute trip is a unique pace for a theme park attraction. Don't send us to walk the plank, because while we like the queue of the Walt Disney World attraction better, we prefer the original ride in California.
The ride itself has a wonderful storyline, and each showroom is packed with an array of elements that will keep riders looking all around. This ride definitely transports you to a bygone era.
We think it's a must-ride attraction.
We give this ride 8 out of 10 Mickey ears, second only to Disneyland's Pirates of the Caribbean. It's a must-ride for adventurers of all ages, but beware of plundering pirates lurking around the cove, because dead men tell no tales, and this is definitely a ride you'll want to be talking about for years.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction, throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magic Atlas, bringing the magic to you.